place a band just above your knees and walk your feet so that they are close together and press your knees out to the side. This is external rotation in your hip socket. I want you to make sure that your core is engaged, but your ribs are not flared out, and do as many of these as you need to do so that you can feel your glutes activate. You're going to squeeze the glutes and lift the hips up to the ceiling. This is not an exercise where you are rolling or using your spine. It's really a solid movement from the shoulders down to the hips, raising up to the ceiling. You should feel the majority of this in your glutes as you rise up to the ceiling.